it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. I'm here with another project Playback. This new series in 2022 will air every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Time. Tonight's project is a corner pocket card. I remade this one using the Rainbow of Happiness bundle from the new January through June 2022 Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. But in the video tonight, I'm going to show you how to make the corner pocket card using supplies from last year. You can use whatever you have at home, so I hope that you'll give this project a try. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks so much. So this is my first time creating the pocket card. So I'm going to show you the measurements that I used, and then we're going to cut and put this together. Now, this card is pretty easy from what I can tell. So hopefully we won't have any hiccups. We're starting with the very, very base, and it is a 1/4 sheet of cardstock. So this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I've got a piece of designer paper from that snail mail that is just 1/4 inch smaller. So 4 inches by 5 1/4. And again, I'm going to have all the measurements in the video description. So if you want to remake this card, you can check the list there after the video. I'll get that added tonight. And you can see all those details. I'll have a shopping list and then the measurement list. Okay, now I'm going to grab the paper trimmer, and the next piece is going to be for the pocket. So I've got 2 pieces here. The bigger one, same color, real red. This is 3 1/2 inches by 3 1/2. And then the designer paper is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. And we're going to cut diagonally. So I'm going to put this into the track, and I'm going to cut from corner to corner and cut that in half, and we're going to use this bottom triangle. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the designer paper. This is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, and I'm cutting from corner to corner, and this is just going to be a decorative layer. So we're going to add that on like that. I don't think we need this anymore, so let's put that away. And let's glue this on. And I'm just going to go right up to the edge so that my even layers are on the bottom and the side. And then this is going to go in the corner to make a pocket. And so I'm going to use some of the tear and tape, and I'm only going to put them along the straight edges. And I want to keep it as close to the edge as I can so that we've got the space in the middle to hold the card. So I'm going to do one for each straight side. And the tape is terrible, meaning it can be torn, but I think that angle is just a little tricky. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put that onto the card base to create a pocket. So no adhesive on the inside, just the 2 edges, and that's going to go all the way in the pocket, or all the way in the corner, to create a corner pocket. Okay, now our mini card, this is 3 1/4 inches by 8 1/2, and I've scored in half at 4 1/4. And this is going to tuck inside like that. So this is what you're going to write inside. Now I've got a piece of designer paper that is 3 inches by 4 inches. And that's going to go on the front. So you can see this is also the snail mail designer paper. So this design is a really great way to show off lots of patterns of your coordinating paper. Now I have that on, I already had that on a circle from another project that I didn't use. So I'm just going to keep it on the circle, I think. And let's just add that down here. I don't know, maybe that's too much blue. Let's take that off. I think I like that better. There's a little more contrast there. Okay, sorry, blue circle. I already put adhesive on it, so it probably won't get used on another project. But let's just re-add some adhesive here. And we'll just put that like in the corner. Cuteness. Okay, and then for the front here, I am going to stamp this cute snail who says, you've got mail. So we're going to do some Stampin' Blends. So I'm going to stamp this. Now I die cut this large postage. This is from the coordinating die set. So that is this stamp here. And there's also a die that cuts out the snail and one that cuts out the other snail with the present. So I'm going to just do this right in the middle. You've got mail. Oh, that was good. I die cut an extra one just in case I screwed it up. And then we're going to do some coloring. So I've got the Real Red markers and Daffodil Delight and also Bermuda Bay. So what color? You know, actually I think I'm going to grab some Pool Party for the snail's body, because I want to do him in blue, and I think that the Bermuda Bay is going to be too dark. Oh, this marker is really light. So light. That is the light Pool Party. So I'm just going to go back with the darker one and add... I wonder if I have a second marker. Yep, I do. Maybe this one is, oh yeah, that's definitely got more juice in it. Okay, so Pool Party for the body. And then we're gonna do red for the heart. And I think, how about just a yellow Daffodil Delight shell. Gonna add some darker dots with Bermuda Bay. And then the darker Daffodil Delight for the shell. Looking good. Trying to blend that a little more. So cute. I'm going back over the heart with the dark Real Red, and then I'm gonna grab, I went over the edge of my heart, so I'm just gonna try that color lifter to remove some of the colors. I want to keep the letter itself. I'm keeping it white because this letter is white, but I'm gonna add a little bit of Stella. Oh, we'll just cover the whole thing. I love Stella. Can you see that sparkle? Just a little bit. It's so perfect. Okay, let's add this on here. I feel like it needs something because there's so much white space. So we'll add some of these enamel or resin heart embellishments. I think that'll be good. And then for the inside, I was going to stamp the toadstools. So we're going to put him toward the top. Some toadstools inside. You could stamp them in black and color them if you want to. I'm just going to leave it really simple. And then let's get some of this color back in here. They're also part of the snail mail. Part of the snail mail suite is the twine. So you could add some of that as well. But I think just some of these heart embellishments And then we've got the 3. Do you think that counts? 1, 2, 3. Whoops, that didn't stay on very well. You've got mail. So this part opens up for a bigger message, and then this one opens up for like a little secret. Get out of there. A little secret message. Oh my gosh, I love this little snail. He's so cute. Let's just see what a pink bow looks like, because I feel like we could do something else here. Just made like a giant mess. Let's clean up my mess. Yay, I'm so glad you like it. I'm seeing your comments come in. You want it all. Well, the awesome thing about doing something like this where you're using all the products from the same suite is you can get it all. There's one item number for everything that makes it really easy to order everything that coordinates. So who doesn't want it all? Why? I mean, there's so many things you can do, and I kind of like that bow. Do you think it's too much? I like incorporating the pink, but I do feel like it's a little, I don't know. What do you think? Yes to the bow? Nay? Yay or nay on the bow? Okay, that's it for today. I'm so glad that you were able to join me for this project Playback. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another Project Playback.